Hi students, good morning. How are you? Fine? Very good. How do you feel? Good? Okay. Today we're going to have a very interesting class. It will be devoted to reading and writing practice. Okay, so we're gonna read the article, then we're gonna discuss this article, elaborate vocabulary, and in the end of the class we're gonna have writing practice. Okay, so you all have a handout with a printed article I prepared for you. So first of all, who can read a heading, please? Okay, the general election is coming soon and the UK is getting ready to vote. Okay, good. So, what do you think the article is about? Any ideas? Okay, very good. Any other ideas? Okay, great. So, let me ask you something, guys. Do you vote? Any of you here? Okay. So, do you think it is important to vote, to go to the elections and to vote for some candidate? Okay, good. Any other opinions? Okay, good. So, as you can see, this article contains 5 problems that United Kingdom as a country faces. So we're gonna do the reading activity right now, but we're gonna do it in an unusual way, let's say. Do you guys remember what is a jigsaw activity? I think that I have done this with some of you before. Well, anyhow, with those, for those who don't know what is it, I'm gonna explain you, of course. So first of all, we're gonna make groups, okay? We're gonna make 4 groups. Okay. So now we have groups. I will assign one problem from the article to each group, okay? So after that, you guys will need to read the article and discuss it in your small group, okay? So you discuss what you understand from the article, and of course, if there is a vocabulary that you don't know, you can ask your classmates, yes, so you can elaborate this. And after we finish, we're gonna rotate you guys, right? We're gonna change the group so everybody will have a chance to know and to learn about other problems, okay? So yes, let's say 10 minutes for this activity, okay? 10 minutes. You read and discuss your problem, the assigned problem in your group, okay? Great. Okay, so thank you very much. The discussion was really interesting. So I hope you all have learned something. So what are we gonna do next? I want you to use internet, okay? So you can use your cell phone either or your laptop, or if you have a tablet, okay? So any device that you can use for searching in the web, okay? So I want you to search and to find out some more problems that can appear in a country or in a city, right? So could be any problem that are not mentioned in the text, okay? So use all the sources, all the information that you can find, okay? So try to make a list. Well, I don't want it to be like really long, but maybe you can add like 4 or 5 problems to those that we have already discussed, okay? I'll give you, let's say, 10 minutes for this activity, and then we're gonna discuss your ideas, okay? Okay, great. Your ideas are amazing, and I think that you did well in this activity. So what we're gonna do next? We are going on to writing part of our class, okay? So what are we going to write? I want you to choose one problem, yes? One of those that we have already discussed. Could be a problem from the article, or could be the one that we elaborate later, okay? The one that you found on the internet. And the one that you might probably consider very important, and yes. So what I wanted to write is to, well, a little bit describe a problem a little bit, yes. Why do you think this problem is important? And the second part should be about how do you think we can solve this problem, okay? So before you start writing, I want to remind you, right, a little bit about the organization of your paper. So don't forget about paragraphs, right? So I think that this writing could have like 2 or 3 paragraphs would be enough, right? You can start with like taking some notes, yes, elaborating some ideas, and then you can actually move to your writing, okay? So for this activity, I'm gonna give you 20 minutes, okay? Okay guys, so now you finished your writing activities, so what we're gonna do, I want each of you pass your paper to the person that sits on the right hand, okay? Yes, on the right hand. So like we're going to, like, let's say rotate the papers, okay? Great. So now you'll have a paper that is written by your classmate, and we're gonna do the peer assessment, let's say, right? So I want you guys to take a pencil, yes, and to check the paper that is in front of you, okay?